simple yet elegant. Now it's called a minimalist design because of the size. As you can see, it's just occupying a very small part of the hair. It's not something so elaborate or so big. So if you're that particular bride that you want your bridesmaid to appear so nice, elegant, and yet, don't want something too flashy or too big, this is a perfect headwear for your big day. So, as designers, tell me in the comment section what you think about this particular design. And yes, to my lovely brides out there planning out their weddings and are in search for a perfect place to get their wedding arts and fascinators, feel free to reach out to me. I can make this in as many numbers as you want and also at the budget friendly rate. So, what are you waiting for? While you make the plans for your big day, don't forget to plan your beautiful headwears and arts along. See you in my next design. Bye.